A heat press is one of the most important investments in your apparel printing business. When you're getting started, you want to get started right. You can't just go to Amazon, buy a heat press for less than $200 and expect to produce quality result. Trust me, I've talked to countless decorators that have purchased these press and they're just not happy with what they're producing because it doesn't deliver time, temperature, and pressure accurately. Here at Stahls, we've innovated and come up with the A2Z Swing Away heat press. This heat press not only swings away to give you a heat-free layout space for printing your apparel, but it also delivers accuracy. Made in the USA, it's going to give you quality results that you won't get with any other press at an entry-level price point. Let me show you some of the features of this press, what comes with it in our package from Transfer Express, and how everything works. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to know about heat printing is getting your accurate temperature and time for your transfer. Every transfer has a recipe, and with the A2Z heat press, you have a digital controller. So I can set my temperature, it displays here in Fahrenheit, and I can hit the plus/minus keys to get it to the exact temperature that I want. I can hit the mode button, and that will allow me to adjust my timer for the countdown when the press locks down. Hit the mode button again, it'll tell me the exact temperature that the heat press is at. And the important thing to know here is that it's accurate. It's reading from the actual heater with to the degree accuracy. Now, when you're pressing transfers, there's a lot of different styles. This is a goof-proof transfer, which is one of our most popular types of screen-printed transfers. You can actually create screen print-like results with your heat press. As you can see, each transfer has a recipe, as I stated. Apply at 365 degrees for 8 seconds, and we're gonna peel hot. Now the last factor is pressure, but I'm going to open up this bag. This comes with your press when you purchase the package with the marketing kit. And let's take out the t-shirt so we can show you the loading process and how to adjust your pressure. So I have a 100% cotton t-shirt. I'm just going to open that up, and there's a couple different ways that you can load this press. Number one is you can just lay the t-shirt on like this, draping the collar off of the back edge, aligning the tag with the post to make sure you have a centering line, and this becomes your print area. Now another nice benefit of this press that you'll notice when you start pressing different types of items other than just t-shirts is that it is threadable. So you can split your shirt open, you can drape it over the platen, and then you can load the shirt on like this. Now you will be printing upside down, but the benefit here is once we start getting to interchangeable platens, which I'll talk about in a moment for printing different items, it allows you to get your pressing area completely flat because I can split and thread my garment on. For this first example, however, I'm just going to lay the t-shirt on because I feel like this is how you'll press your first shirt. And at that point, I'm just going to make sure it's flat with no creases or wrinkles in the shirt. And then I'll pull the press back. It has a handle to move it back into place. And then it has a shovel handle designed to lock it down. Now I'm feeling for the pressure of the machine. If I want to adjust the pressure, there is a pressure adjustment knob in the back of the machine that makes sure that you get the accurate pressure. So there's a lot of different pressures that transfers call for, light, medium, or heavy. You can turn this knob clockwise to increase your pressure or turn it counterclockwise to decrease your pressure. Lock the machine down. We're going to preheat our garment for a few seconds while we get our transfer ready to apply. We'll pull that out of the box. Preheating your garment is extremely important because that warms the base and gets it ready to accept the transfer. As you can see, we have 3 colors here of screen printing ink. I'm just going to flip this over. When you purchase a Transfer Express transfer, you have a nice alignment grid, and I'll be able to position my design using that alignment grid into place. I'll swing my heat press back and I'll lock it down for the recommended 8 seconds. The machine counts down the 8 seconds. It will beep when it's finished, and then I will manually open the machine from the handle after it beeps, swing it away, grab the corner of my transfer and peel away. And I get a nice quality result in just 8 seconds with the screen printed transfer. Now you can trust that this result is not only going to stick, but it's going to stay because this machine delivers accuracy. Now when you start moving to other types of applications with the press, there are some items, such as the samples that I have here, that just won't fit on to the 15 by 15 platen. If I wanted to press a left chest area, I have the zipper in the way that's going to cause pressure issues, potentially even damage my shirt. So with the A2Z press, we have a nice feature. It's called interchangeable attachments. Underneath of the press, there's a knob. You can just turn that knob to loosen it. It will drop out of this platen. I'll be able to remove this platen and then load a more appropriate size. Now I'm not going to press this shirt, but I do want to show you the example. The platen just drops into place and you attach it back with the knob, and then it'll allow you to take this garment, isolate the print area. Again, I can flip it upside down. I can open the garment up and I can drape it on to get rid of this seam to give me a nice print area for a left chest application. Now this same platen also works great for printing items like tote bags and other small items. And if you plan to enter children's apparel, it works great for a onesie. This 6 by 10 inch platen is in your package, and you'll notice it also comes with this quick slip pad protector. That's this piece that goes down around the platen. It's kind of like an ironing board cover. It just makes it easier to slide your item on and off. And that's included with both the 6 by 10 platen as well as the 15 by 15 attachment. Let's reattach this back into the press. I'm just going to turn that knob. It's very easy to change, and we're ready to go. Again, from a functional perspective, one of the best features of this press is I can look completely over my item to line it up heat-free. It's not like the clamshell styles where you're in under the heat all day. And for this price point, that's a great feature on this machine. So this is the A2Z Swing Away press. Let's cover some of the other items that you get in your package that will help you to be successful. One of my favorite things that you get with the Heat Press package is our Transfer Express marketing kit. And that kit starts with this t-shirt that we've just completed and the sample transfer, allowing you to get started and experience your heat press right away. Now, one of my favorite things that comes with that kit is the idea book. This idea book allows you to be a graphic artist without knowing how to design at all. And what I mean by that is it has thousands of pre-designed clip arts and layouts, all of which are customizable. These are templates that you can pull up online through your login over on the EasyView Designer, which is on transferexpress.com, and customize. So you can show your customer the designs from this idea book, as well as the clip art and the layouts and all of the elements that are here. There's literally thousands of these, and it's going to help you to be successful and create the art that they want. Now you can meet with your customer and show them the looks from this idea book, or you can leave behind this generic idea book that also comes with the kit. Another great thing that comes here is the sample transfers. In these sample transfers, there's a photo of each, and it tells you what ink formula it is and where to find that layout and what page it's on in the idea book. But all of these sample transfers match to those pictures, and there's 30 of them included. They all appeal to different markets. It's going to give you a great way to be able to decorate items, experience the transfer ink formulas, because there's some different ones that will help you be successful with decorating different types of apparel. And then you can use these as display samples or even to photograph to put on your Facebook page, website, to be able to market your new custom t-shirt offering. Now, of course, you'll need blank apparel, so we also include our wholesale apparel guide. And you can purchase any of these blank apparel items, and there's a huge catalog here that you get access to all of these blank apparel items through Stahls Transfer Express. A couple additional things: you get a color selector guide that will show you all of the ink colors that are available for you to choose from, including our special effects like neons and pearl prints and glitter inks that will help you reach different markets and create cool looks. You'll also get an application guide. This is a wall graphic that can go onto the wall or the table beside your press that gives you the product name and the proper time, temperature, and pressure, and how to peel the backing off it when it's applied. It's going to help you create the perfect application. It's an easy reference tool. Additionally, you'll get a sticker that will say that you do custom printed apparel that you can stick on a window or a wall. And you'll get a $10 off coupon off of your next order. And in addition to the $10 coupon, you'll also get a $50 product credit when you purchase this heat press in the package that we've assembled. And that product credit will be on your account over at Transfer Express. So when you get your first job, you're already set up to save. Now, I'd like to review the contents of this package one more time with you. First, you get the A2Z Swing Away heat press. This is a 15 by 15 inch press, and it comes with the 15 by 15 inch platen. Additionally, we give you the quick slip pad protector that will go over the 15 by 15 platen to make it easier to load your items onto the press. You'll also get a 6 by 10 inch platen that's been designed specifically to fit your A2Z heat press as the interchangeable platen. This platen comes with the quick slip pad protector cover as well to make for the same easy loading. And then you'll get the Transfer Express marketing kit, which includes all of the contents that we just covered. You'll get the $50 product credit put onto your account in addition to the $10 coupon that's in the marketing kit, and you'll also get free shipping on all of this included. It's really a great offer when you look at it like this. We've put together everything in this package to help your business be successful, so you can print more items for more customers for profit, and that's our goal. We want you to create a business that lasts, and that starts with investing in the right heat press to create high quality products for your customers. Thanks for watching.